Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea easily. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. For every 8 ounces of water, use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea. Bring your water to a boil, then pour it over the tea. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Afterwards, simply remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves. Now let's talk about sweetening and flavoring your iced tea. If you prefer it sweet, add sugar or your chosen sweetener while the tea is still warm. This helps it dissolve completely. For a perfectly smooth sweetness, try making a simple syrup. You can also elevate the taste with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some fruit. Don't be afraid to explore various tea types to find your perfect blend. Once your tea is brewed and sweetened, it's time to chill it. Let the tea cool down to room temperature naturally before placing it in the refrigerator. For the best coldness, allow it to chill for at least 2 hours. When you're ready to enjoy, pour your delicious iced tea over plenty of ice in a tall glass. A fresh lemon wedge or a sprig of mint makes a lovely garnish. If you're in a hurry, you can make a stronger brew and pour it directly over ice for a quick chill. For storage, keep your homemade iced tea in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator. It's best to enjoy your iced tea within 3 to 5 days to ensure the freshest flavor. Remember, you can always adjust the tea's strength and sweetness to perfectly suit your personal taste.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.